let's make shakshuka on a rainy day in Tbilisi.
Time to climb that mountain. I'm not gonna stop till I reach the very top. It's a decision
Oh my goodness,
I made.
I actually love this time of the year. It's not too cold and it's not too hot, and you can just wear a thin jacket outside. It's really nice. We're on our way up to the city, into the city, and we're gonna buy some tomatoes and some bell peppers.
I've got the eye of the tiger, heart of the lion. Here stands a dragon, ain't no denying I'm right on time as I keep on trying. Stepped off course, but now I'm flying. I'm gonna thread that needle through the finish line. I don't need no medal. The race is the prize. Shoot for the stars, you may land on the moon. Step by step, you just have to move sooner or later. It's now or never. Sooner or later. Now or never.
Yeah, that is really good actually. Perfect. For these.
I'm grateful for
Take these also. Alright, so we got all the vegetables and it came out just around $7. It's actually insanely cheap in my opinion. Yeah, so we're done. Back to the apartment. We're gonna get some bread first actually. Alright, so I changed my mind. Instead of the traditional Georgian bread, it's called shoddy bread, which is really good. I bought a khachapuri instead because I passed by a bakery so I could smell it. So I picked this one instead. Okay guys, so we are back in the Airbnb with all the vegetables here. I had some at home already and then we were out and buy the rest, especially tomatoes, the most important thing. Shakshuka, I know it originates from Africa, but depending on the country you're in, there will be variations of this dish and the recipe. I think mine is a little bit of a mix of what you find on the internet and then with a little touch of my own inspired from when I'm making bolognese. So man, I'm starving, so let's get cooking. All right, we are finished cutting. Let's bring out the big pan. It's a fairly easy recipe. I just normally I think you use bell pepper, like the normal sweet red or yellow ones, but I just like these a lot. So pepper, onion, and some garlic crushed and salt. Okay guys, we are done cooking. Man, it went really, really well. I think the eggs are not overcooked, but the yolk is pretty firm. But I have tasted it and it's really, really good. So I think my variation of this is actually just to put a little bit of chocolate into it. I know it from when I made bolognese, because it can take a little bit of the acidity. So that's the only difference I think I make from any other. Then I thought I had paprika, but it was chili powder. So this version is definitely a little bit more spicy than usual, I think. Then we have some khachapuri. This is actually a Danish soft, firm cheese. It tastes pretty much like feta, but it's a little bit more soft and a little bit more creamy. It's super delicious, salty and creamy. And then we have some parsley over here. So yeah, let's dig in. I can't wait because I'm so hungry. Wow, that looks good. Okay, let's sprinkle a little bit more of the parsley on. I love parsley. And then let's break this cheese a little bit. So it also turned out to be quite a cheesy dish because khachapuri is a Georgian cheese bread. So it's a bread and then in the middle they stuff it with cheese. Okay, let's dig in. Let's get some egg, cheese, parsley. My goodness, this is so freaking good. Wow. Especially it's the cumin that makes the difference, and a little bit of nutmeg and the spiciness. This is good. Wow. It takes you 30 minutes to make. It's super easy, few ingredients and you're done. I can finish all this, that's for sure. After the war in Ukraine, the prices has increased significantly here in Georgia, and especially Tbilisi. So now I actually have to cook most of my meals. But man, I love to cook, and especially when it turn out like this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I had planned another video today, but it has been so rainy the last couple of days. I think it's a transition into autumn or fall. It makes it rain more. So just decided to stay home and then make a cooking video. It's one of my first ever, so bear over with me. Thank you so much for watching, and then see you next time.